everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to become an ethical hacker for free and actually get a job. My name is Jasmine, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or cloud pro. Fast. In this video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide to starting your journey in ethical hacking completely free of charge. We'll begin by exploring the fundamental concepts you need to understand, such as computer basics and networking, before moving on to more advanced topics like security principles and coding. We'll also introduce you to valuable free resources and tools to help you practice and enhance your skills. By following our detailed roadmap, you'll gain a clear understanding of the essential knowledge and practical experience required to launch a successful career in ethical hacking, all while keeping your budget intact. Let's get started on this exciting path to becoming an ethical hacker. To begin your journey as an ethical hacker, you need to cultivate a hacker's mindset. This involves thinking like an attacker to understand potential vulnerabilities in systems. Ethical hackers are problem solvers who enjoy finding creative solutions. Developing traits such as curiosity, persistence, and a sharp eye for detail is essential. Books like The Art of Deception by Kevin Mitnick and The Hacker Playbook by Peter Kim offer insights into the psychology behind hacking. These resources are often available for free through libraries or educational programs. Adopting this mindset will allow you to approach problems from various perspectives, which is crucial for success in ethical hacking. Before diving into hacking itself, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of computer basics. This includes knowing how operating systems work, understanding hardware components, and getting familiar with software applications. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer free courses on these fundamental topics. Start with courses such as Computer Science 101 or Introduction to Computer Science. These courses will provide you with a foundational understanding of computer operations, which is indispensable for aspiring ethical hackers. Additionally, explore YouTube channels that offer detailed tutorials on computer basics. This foundational knowledge will lay the groundwork for more advanced topics in networking, security, and hacking. Networking is a fundamental aspect of ethical hacking. It is crucial to understand how data travels over networks, what protocols are used, and how networks are secured. Websites like Cisco's Networking Academy provide free courses on networking fundamentals. Begin with courses such as Introduction to Networks and Network Basics to gain a solid understanding. Furthermore, resources like Professor Messer's CompTIA Network Plus videos on YouTube offer comprehensive coverage of networking concepts. Ensure you grasp topics such as IP addressing, subnetting, and common networking protocols like TCP/IP. Networking knowledge will not only help you understand how systems communicate, but also how they can be exploited. Linux is the operating system of choice for many ethical hackers due to its open-source nature and powerful command-line interface. Familiarize yourself with Linux using free resources like the Linux Journey website or the Introduction to Linux course on edX. Numerous free tutorials on YouTube also cover Linux basics and advanced commands. Begin by installing a Linux distribution such as Ubuntu or Kali Linux on a virtual machine. Practice basic commands, file management, and permissions. Understanding Linux is essential because many hacking tools are designed to run on this operating system. Moreover, knowledge of Linux will help you navigate and manipulate systems more effectively. A solid grasp of security fundamentals is critical for any ethical hacker. This includes understanding encryption, authentication, and various security protocols. Websites like Cybrary offer free courses on security basics. Start with courses like Security Plus Fundamentals to build a strong foundation. Additionally, resources such as the OWASP, Open Web Application Security Project, website provide insights into common security vulnerabilities and how to address them. Ensure you understand key concepts like the CIA triad, confidentiality, integrity, availability, and how different security measures protect these aspects. A robust foundation in security will help you comprehend the importance of safeguarding systems and data from potential threats. Coding and scripting skills are vital for ethical hackers. They enable you to write your own tools, automate tasks, and understand how software vulnerabilities can be exploited. Start by learning Python, a widely used language in the hacking community. Websites like Codecademy and FreeCodeCamp offer excellent free courses on Python. Once you have a good grasp of Python, move on to learning other languages such as JavaScript, Bash, and PowerShell. These languages are frequently used in various hacking scenarios. Practice by writing small scripts to automate tasks and solve problems. Additionally, explore resources like GitHub to find and study code written by other hackers. Coding skills will enhance your hacking capabilities and make you more versatile in your approach. As cloud services become increasingly popular, understanding cloud technology is becoming essential for ethical hackers. Free resources like AWS Free Tier and Google Cloud's free courses provide a great starting point. Learn about cloud infrastructure, common cloud services, and security practices in the cloud. Understanding cloud technology will help you identify vulnerabilities in cloud environments and suggest appropriate security measures. Additionally, explore the Cloud Security Basics course on Coursera. Knowledge of cloud technology will open up new areas for you to explore in ethical hacking and increase your job prospects in organizations using cloud services. With a solid foundation in place, it's time to delve into hacking basics. Start with free resources such as the Metasploit Unleashed course offered by Offensive Security. This course covers the basics of using Metasploit, a popular penetration testing framework. Additionally, explore platforms like Hack the Box and TryHackMe, which offer free labs and challenges to practice your skills. These platforms simulate real-world hacking scenarios and provide hands-on experience. Also, study the OWASP Top 10, which lists the most critical web application security risks. Understanding these basics will prepare you for more advanced hacking techniques and tools. Building on the basics, deepen your foundational knowledge. This includes mastering advanced networking concepts, system administration, and advanced security principles. Resources such as the Advanced Networking course on Coursera and books like Hacking: The Art of Exploitation by John Erickson can be highly beneficial. These resources provide a deeper understanding of how systems work and how they can be exploited. Additionally, join online forums and communities like Stack Overflow and Reddit's r/NetSec to stay updated on the latest trends and techniques in ethical hacking. A strong foundational knowledge will enable you to tackle more complex challenges and enhance your overall skills. To become proficient in ethical hacking, continuous learning and practice are essential. Use resources like the Web Security Academy by Portswigger and the HackerOne01 CTF Challenges by HackerOne. These platforms offer free labs and challenges that cover a wide range of hacking techniques. Practice regularly and strive to solve as many challenges as possible. Additionally, participate in Capture the Flag CTF competitions, which are often free and provide valuable hands-on experience. Learning to hack involves a lot of trial and error, so do not get discouraged if you do not succeed immediately. Persistence and continuous learning are key to becoming a successful ethical hacker. One of the most recognized certifications in the ethical hacking community is the Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. While the exam itself is not free, you can prepare for it using free resources. Start with the PWK Penetration Testing with Kali course material, which is often shared by past students in online forums. Additionally, use platforms like VulnHub and TryHackMe to practice penetration testing techniques. Study the OSCP syllabus and focus on mastering the required skills. Joining online study groups and forums can also provide support and additional resources. Passing the OSCP requires dedication and practice, but it can significantly boost your job prospects in the ethical hacking field. Creating a portfolio is essential to showcase your skills to potential employers. Develop a personal website or a GitHub repository where you can display your projects, write-ups, and achievements. Document your progress in solving CTF challenges. participating in bug bounty programs, and completing labs on platforms like Hack the Box. Write detailed blog posts or tutorials explaining your approach and techniques used. A well-documented portfolio not only demonstrates your skills, but also shows your dedication and passion for ethical hacking. Ensure your portfolio is updated with new projects and accomplishments to continuously impress potential employers. Landing your first job in ethical hacking requires a combination of skills, certifications, and networking. Start by applying for internships and entry-level positions that require basic security knowledge. Use job search platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor to find relevant job postings. Tailor your resume to highlight your skills, certifications, and projects. Additionally, network with professionals in the industry by attending conferences, joining online communities, and participating in local meetups. Consider contributing to open-source projects and volunteering for security-related tasks in your community. Building a network and gaining practical experience will increase your chances of landing your first ethical hacking job. Once you have a solid foundation and some experience, consider specializing in advanced areas of ethical hacking. This could include fields such as network penetration testing, web application security, mobile security, or cloud security. Use free resources like Coursera, EDX, and Cybrary to find advanced courses in these areas. Additionally, explore specialized certifications such as the Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, and Offensive Security Web Expert, OSWE. Specializing in an advanced area can make you a sought-after expert and open up more job opportunities in the field of ethical hacking. As you gain experience and knowledge, it's important to decide your career path in ethical hacking. Consider what areas interest you the most and where you want to focus your efforts. Do you enjoy penetration testing, bug bounty hunting, or working on defensive security measures? Each path has its own challenges and rewards. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in your chosen field. Continuous learning and adapting to new challenges are crucial for a successful career in ethical hacking. Choose your path, set your goals, and work towards achieving them with dedication and persistence. Stay updated with the latest trends and developments in cybersecurity. Follow cybersecurity blogs, subscribe to newsletters, and listen to podcasts to stay informed about new threats, vulnerabilities, and technologies. Continuous learning is crucial in the rapidly evolving field of ethical hacking. Consider taking advanced courses and certifications to keep your skills up to date. Staying current with industry trends will make you a more effective and valuable ethical hacker. Participate in bug bounty programs to gain practical experience and earn rewards. Platforms like HackerOne and BugCrowd offer opportunities to find and report security vulnerabilities in real-world applications. These programs provide a legal and ethical way to practice your skills and make a positive impact by helping organizations improve their security. Bug bounty hunting can also be a lucrative side activity, allowing you to earn money while honing your hacking skills. Contributing to open-source projects is another way to gain experience and demonstrate your skills. Many open-source projects welcome contributions from the community, including security-related improvements. Contributing to these projects can help you build a reputation in the community, learn from experienced developers, and showcase your skills to potential employers. It also demonstrates your commitment to improving security in the broader technology ecosystem. Finally, consider sharing your knowledge and experiences with others. Write blog posts, create video tutorials, or give presentations at conferences and meetups. Teaching others not only helps the community but also reinforces your own understanding of the topics. It can also help you build a personal brand and establish yourself as an expert in the field. Sharing your knowledge and giving back to the community is an important aspect of being a successful ethical hacker. Becoming an ethical hacker for free and landing a job is a challenging yet rewarding journey. By building a solid foundation, continuously learning and gaining practical experience, you can achieve your goals. Utilize the free resources mentioned in this video, practice regularly, and stay dedicated to your learning journey. Ethical hacking is a dynamic and exciting field with endless opportunities. Start your journey today and join the community that strives to make the digital world a safer place. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Check out the video on the right for more content to help you develop your IT career.